Once again, the power of analysis is proven. See the trading range for gold throughout this day. I told you, be careful of 1708. Only short entry is below this, and only long entry is if it trades above 1715, 1718 zone. I hope you all have been trading safely with these levels. I also look at Nasdaq 100. Though the US cash session, US markets are closed, yet look at the levels 12050, 12150. I told you precisely, do not trade in between these levels, and throughout this day it is trying to struggle and break out beyond this. Now what is going to happen today, we will see further with the help of charts and indicators. Let's start with gold first. And yes, missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe, and do press the bell icon. The next update on gold will be up before the Asia session tomorrow. Also, the updates on Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones will be up at the same time. Now today, first we look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Now look at the hourly charts for gold. It is trying to create higher base. Yes, 1708 is definitely a good support. At the same time, look at the lows there. It is trying to trade within this channel, and this channel has got its high at around 1720 levels. I'll be cautious till then. On the downside, now it is trying to act bearish, but remember, I told you very specifically, only short entries below 1708. Below that, yes, you can expect 1705, very immediate support, and below that you can expect it to drop for 1700 and 1695. Direction movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic is near to overbought, now looking downwards. MACD is not indicative of anything. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, similar is the story. See, it is trading within this bullish channel. Yes, the highs it can try to form at 1720, achieving the double top there. Possibly it may try to trade with this. Only short entry, as I said, is below 1708. Below 1708, yes, you can go short, and then you can expect it to drop. Above 1715, yes, you can try to initiate a long entry. Just be watchful of 17, 18, 20 levels. The same levels which I shared today morning are applicable now also. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is converging for a sell there. Be careful. MACD is bullish, trying to converge crossover. Stochastic is also looking downwards. Similar is the story on the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts also, you can find out it is trying to trade in this channel, just trying to give a red candle. May take a support at around 1710, 1712 level and bounce back. Those who want to take a little risk, yes, you can go short below 1710, but then 17.8, 17.5 levels are going to be very, very strong support. You have to trade with the stop loss at cost only if you are taking a short entry at 1710. Direction movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic is again curving down. MACD is in green, may trade with very little divergence here, and RSI is looking downwards here. On the 4-hour charts, similar is the story on the 4-hour chart, but look at the movement on the 4-hour charts. Tail wick, and a smaller wick and a bigger sharp tail there. So yes, it has completed the movement. Now trying to give you a red candle. Possibility exists that it can come back till towards 1708, and in fact it can try to cover more than till towards 1705 levels. On the upside, yes, only long entries above 1715. You can again go long. Expect it to achieve 1718, 1720 levels. Only above 1720 you can expect more bullishness. Stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is trading parallel, trading bullish. RSI is comfortable. And on the daily charts, if you look at, see on the daily charts, lower highs it is shown, and yes, it is trying to give you lower lows also, trying to trade within this zone itself, 1715 to 1708. Be watchful of this zone, be careful of this zone. Direction movement is bearish, trying to converge a little. Stochastic is out of comfort, oversold zone in comfortable levels now. MACD is trading bearish, trying to converge here. RSI is out of oversold zone, trading comfort. Considering this, those who want to take a little risk can go short at 1710 itself. Below 1710, you can be careful of 1708, 1705, and then 1700 levels. Yes, it has a possibility to reverse any point of time till 1695. I will not consider this as bearish. It can try to reverse any point of time till 1695. You have to trade with the stop loss at cost till then, or else close with a little movement. Whenever you see a couple of dollars or more than that, you can try to either close with a little profits and trade accordingly. On the upside, you can go long above 17 1715 levels, 1716 levels, but remember 1718 and 1720, these two levels you should mark out for. Only above 1720 it can be considered a little bullish, but then 1725 is the level beyond which you can consider it as bullish, and then it may trade in green for the rest of the time. Then it may achieve 1735, 45 levels, which are a good resistance zone. So be watchful of 1725, 1720 levels on the upside. You have to trade with a stop loss at cost till 1725. Take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 1710 to 1715 levels. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq. And yes, if you want to learn the same art of trading profitably, taking right entries, right exits at the right time, identifying the market movements, you can join my mentorship batch. The strategy, the methodology provided will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. The next batch is starting on 12th of September. Be a part of it. Do not miss to join this. Definitely it's an opportunity to invest and get the profits throughout your life. So do reach out to me via Telegram or email. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can become a patron. The patron link is mentioned in the channel and video description. There we can discuss all the trading signals, all the trading discussion, positional trades, intraday trades, and your existing positions also. Now look at the daily charts, hourly charts for Nasdaq. You can see it is consolidated and now it is skewed downside, and when you say skewed downside, possibility of it to top. But remember, today the US cash session is closed, US markets are closed, hence you have to trade with caution. Only bullish entry is if you see it trading above 12150. Yes, you can go long. Then 12200, 12250, 12300 is the level you should watch out for, and 12400 are the levels you should watch out for. Direction movement bearish on the hourly charts. Stochastic entering into oversold zone. The MACD is again crossed over for a sell. RSI is moderately trading with slight bearishness. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at on the 2-hour charts too, it is skewed on the downside. Be careful, it can give you slight drop till towards 12,000. Below 12,000, yes, you may see if it, see, first thing is 12,100, then 12,040, 12,000 levels, and then below that we may see 11,970, 920 levels. Remember, 11,900 levels and 11,800 levels are going to be good support there. Just watch my weekly analysis for more details on why these levels are important and why this is a good support. Direction movement is bearish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is bearish. The RSI is trading with a negative curve right now. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, see lower highs and possibility exists that it may achieve lower lows situated at around 12,040 levels, 12,050 levels. Possibly this is going to be a good support. Below that we can expect. So the support there at here at 12,050, 12,040 is going to be strong. Below this we may see 12,020, 12,000. Only if it sustains below 12,000 it will call for the bearishness there. Direction movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD not indicative of anything. RSI comfortable. And on the 4-hour charts, if you look at on the 4-hour charts too, see if it breaks below 12,040 it will call for a little more bearishness, and then you can expect 12,010, 12,000 levels and 11,970, 11,900 levels. Right now the movement is skewed on the downside. Be watchful of this. Direction movement bearish, stochastic is oversold, MACD is bullish but trading with very little divergence, RSI is flat. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts, see it has formed a wick out there trying to trade this. Maybe it can try to get a support here at 12,040 levels, and if it breaks this then 12,000 levels is going to be a good support. 12,000, 12,010 levels you should watch out for. Any break, any draw below 12,000 will be a good entry for you to remain short further, where you can expect 11,900 levels. Direction movement bearish here, stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI near to bottom. So as I said, only short entries below 12,040. Below that also till 12,010 levels it is going to get a good support. Only if it sustains below 12,000 you can expect a further fall, where it may try to achieve 11,920, 11,900 levels. If not today, possibly by tomorrow. You can remain short below 12,000 with a strict stop loss at the entry price, because it may give you a good swing tomorrow before it tries to take a direction. So take your positions accordingly. On the upside, yes, any move about 12,150 you can go long. Beyond 12,150 you can expect it to rise more. Take your positions accordingly. Above 150 you can expect 200, 250, 300. 300 is a very strong resistance, then 400 the next strongest resistance. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US 30 on the hourly charts also breaking this channel. Yes, it has seen a wall at 31,450 levels, which we had shared. 31,400, 450 are going to be good resistance, and now it is trying to trade with little bearishness there. And yes, if it breaks below this zone at 31,320 we can expect a good fall. And yes, if it breaks below this zone at 31,320, possibly it may call for a further drop. Then 31,250, 200 levels are going to come into picture, and below that we may see a good fall. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards, MACD curving for a crossover for a sell entry, RSI trading flat and it's near to bottom there. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, also on the 2-hour charts, it is trying to trade in this, but if you look at the pattern there, see it has seen higher highs, lower low. The support there at 31,320, 300 is going to be very strong. Be careful of these levels. Directional movement is bearish on the 2-hour charts, stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is bearish, RSI trading flat. On the 3-hour charts is similar as the observation on the 3-hour charts. I am not going to touch base again on this. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is curving again for a bearish entry, MACD trading in green with a very little divergence, RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see previous two candles, lower lows, the pivot here at around 31,370 levels, and with that it has seen the highest possibility exists that we may see a low. So 31,300 to 500 is the broader zone in which you have to remain careful. It can bounce back again from 31,300 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking upwards, MACD is moderately bullish there, RSI is comfortable. And on the daily charts, it is trying to take a shape, but it is failing to go past the zone at 31,300, which is a very good support. If it drops below 31,300, go short. Then you can expect it to drop till towards 31,150, 31,100 levels. If not today, possibly by tomorrow, it may try to achieve these levels. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is oversold, MACD is bearish here, and RSI is near to bottom. Considering this, only long entry I will recommend is above 31,400 levels, beyond which you can expect 31,450 as the first target and 31,500 as the next target. Beyond this, it will fly for 31,600, 700. 31,700 is a stronger resistance. I have told you last week also. I am repeating it again. 31,700 is going to be stronger resistance. Above that, it will fly for 32,000 again. On the downside, you can go short below 31,300. Below that, you can expect it to drop more, and then you can expect 31,100 levels. If not today, possibly by tomorrow. And if it breaks below 31,000, we can expect a crash. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.